Welcome to this DDI CADcast. My name is Quentin Rock, and today we will cover the enhancements to eDrawings 2014. So let's get started. Our first enhancement to take a look at involves 3D Content Central. And those of you who don't know 3D Content Central, basically it's a great free service for locating, configuring, downloading, requesting 2D and 3D part files that you can use in your models or your assemblies. It's got manufacturer parts as well as user submitted parts. But on your iPad, if you go to 3dcontentcentral.com and you log into your account, you'll see that there's now a link there for the models. Instead of just downloading, there's a link that says viewing eDrawings. And if you have the eDrawings app on your iPad, you're now able to, you will be prompted to open that up. So you can now view 3D Content Central stuff straight into eDrawings on the iPad. The next enhancement to eDrawings 2014 to take a look at is viewing dim expert dimensions from SOLIDWORKS part files. So the prior limitation to not being able to see the dim expert dimensions in a SOLIDWORKS part file has now been lifted. There's not much to show here. You can see I have SOLIDWORKS open and I have the dim expert dimensions in this. If I go publish to eDrawings or I go file open and open the native SOLIDWORKS file in eDrawings, you'll now get support for the dim expert dimensions, or you now have the ability to show those in eDrawings. Keep in mind, or one little note on this, is the files have to be SOLIDWORKS 2014 or later for this to work. So if you have an old 13 file with dim experts, it's not going to automatically show the dim expert dimensions in 2014. You'll need to update that file. Another enhancement to eDrawings 2014 is the ability to view the rotational exploded steps. And that's a new feature in SOLIDWORKS 2014, is the ability to have rotational exploded steps. So if I go ahead and animate this explode, you can see that I have the bolt rotating as it comes out of the part. If I go File, Publish eDrawings, and you will need to publish these, you cannot open the native SOLIDWORKS files. You will need to create eDrawings versions of these files to get this to work. And that's just true of exploded steps in general. You'll see that if I animate that exploded step, I get those same options here where I can show the bolt or show the rotational exploded steps inside of eDrawings 2014. Some more enhancements to eDrawings 2014 include just added support all the way around for different products and or functionality included in 2014. If we just jump into eDrawings, you'll see that I have a SOLIDWORKS electrical drawing. So from the SOLIDWORKS electrical product, you can now publish into eDrawings as well and view that. In addition, in flow studies, you now have the ability in flow studies to show multiple cut plots or multiple plots and results files inside of a single eDrawings file. Instead of having to publish these all separately, you can do that now. You can check out our What's New Flow Simulation CADcast for a little bit more information on that. And finally, there's some new enhancements to plotting results when you run a symmetry study and plotting the full results on there. That's now carries over or supported into the eDrawings when you're viewing the simulation results in that as well. The last enhancement I want to discuss for eDrawings is just support for a native Android app. And that is similar to the iPad app that's been available for some time now. The Google Play Store now has an eDrawings app. So you can get on your device, go to the Play Store and search for eDrawings and you'll find the app. But it's a great little app for those mobile or on the shop floor or while you travel to be able to view SOLIDWORKS files from an email or native eDrawings files as well. So we now have support for the Android devices in 2014 eDrawings. Well, that wraps up this eDrawings 2014 What's New CADcast. For more CADcast topics, check out our YouTube channel at youtube.com/ddicad or our tech blog at ddicad.com/techcenter. Thanks for watching.